See how quick, easy. This one is not full, but it's okay. Like this. And then on top of it, you just pour some oil. You put 2 fingers right here, so it's not a lot coming out. And just like that. Make sure to get each of this. And then here's them. Got the corners. Stretch it to make it thinner. Look how long it is. Like a long snake. That throughout the whole table, you see? So wherever you see that it's thick or too much potato, just go like that. Now we're adding to fill in this pan, and then we can continue into another pan. And this is a potato pie. You can really make in a small circles, but with the potato, I like it like this, like a snake. And then there's just a little bit left here, so I'm just gonna add, see, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna get this other one. Hi, baby.